This is the great Sacramento River Trail, and the Sundial Bridge goes all the way. Sacramento River Trail. Lovely Sacramento River Trail. Beautiful. Only when you have the courage to explore. Only when you are brave to be the places you haven't been. Look at this beautiful view of the Sacramento River Trail. There are the geese, wild geese. Pacific Flyway. Pacific Flyway. Turtle Bay is located on the Pacific Flyway, one of the 4 main north-south migration routes in North America. Every year, millions of birds, some 350 species, all travel all part of this route, which extends from Alaska to Patagonia. Many birds, such as cliff swallows, leave the North State to travel south. For such as the American robin, Redding is the southern end of their journey. Additionally, many birds move inland from the coast for the winter. Wow. Pacific Flyway. Turtle Bay is located in Pacific Flyway. And here, millions of birds fly from around the world every year. Many different types of species. This is known as the Pacific Flyway. Turtle Bay is located in Pacific Flyway. This is known as the Pacific Flyway. Millions of birds around the world fly every year. Many different types of species. This is a melting pot of the birds around the world. Great Pacific Flyway at Turtle Bay Park, Redding, California. Once in a lifetime, you must need to come. And this is your show, Journey of the Spirit. Keep on exploring, keep on seeing the unseen, and be brave, courageous, be the spirit of the aura of this life. For I am Sada. The more you know, the more you are aware. The more you know, the more you are enlightened. The more you are seeing things, the more you are building your subconscious mind, your brain. The more you are connecting to the great creator. That's why you must need to travel. You must need to come out from your comfort zone and explore the unknown. Be very, very brave and courageous soul. You hear the geese. Beautiful, lovely place. Wish you can just stay here all day. Hi. All right, time to rest. Even though I don't like to rest, I like to always do something, but I do need to prepare myself for tomorrow's trip and many more adventures tomorrow. Wow, bird song ID. How many of these birds can you identify by year? Anna's hummingbird, spotted towhee, American robin, California quail, western sparrow, oak timouse, American crow, kittler, mallard, mourning dove, song sparrow, northern flicker. This is my favorite, mourning dove, peace messenger. Flowers. Beautiful.